Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all not a tutorial. I did not get a tutorial done this week, unfortunately. I'm also going to move this down just slightly so you can see a little more of me and hope that the mic, or excuse me, the tripod head don't just... This is just going to be a video of me talking because this was all I had time to do. I started the tutorial this week, as you can kind of see back here. Let me not knock everything off the desk, but I was not able to finish it because of the holidays, a family emergency, and a family vacation. All in 1 week, and Happy New Year, Happy Merry Christmas holiday from me. I also got 4 sales this week. Best week I've had all year for Etsy. Best week of the whole year. The sales weren't more than some of the sales I got throughout the year, but it's just the frequency of it was crazy. And 2 of them were in one day. 2 were from one person, 1 was from another person, 1 was from another person. I held up 3 when I meant 4. So the tutorial that, the cotton candy garnet tutorial I wanted to do got postponed. First off, let me show that, what little bit I've got done. I'm not going to show you all the pre-roll balls back here, but I am going to show you the main part of the body that I've gotten done. As you can see right here, this is her upper torso, her stomach area, her lower abdomen / booty, her chunky thigh area, her other chunky thigh area, but also her shoe and her foot. The other side, she's not wearing a shoe, so that's going to be her skin tone, more like a brownish kind of tone. And this side's going to be a different color. She is going to be a lot of different colors. But I just wasn't able to finish it. That's what I've gotten done so far, and I don't imagine I'm going to get it done tomorrow night either. That'll probably be next Friday's video. I'm sorry for the person who requested it. I will have it ready as soon as possible. I can't even remember your channel name off the top of my head. I just get so many requests sometimes that I just kind of get it jumbled up in my head and can't remember it. But I will finish it as soon as possible. Just stay tuned. Hopefully it'll be this Friday coming up. So that's the one thing. The other thing I wanted to talk about was my week for Thanksgiving week. Also, happy Thanksgiving, my bunnies. Since it's a day later, but still, I still wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. I didn't have a Thanksgiving-y outfit, so I wore pizza for Thanksgiving, and I'm still wearing the same shirt today. Woohoo! It's been a week. I stayed up till 3:30 in the morning on them Etsy sales last night. I'm tired. And I just didn't feel like staying up till 3 again tonight when I have work tomorrow. Actual 9 to 5 work. So, yeah. Anyways, back to my week. Monday, I just had a nice chill day, worked a little bit, and chilled and relaxed from work the previous weekend. Tuesday was a family trip. I did not record a vlog, unfortunately. I went to Duluth, Georgia, which I do have a vlog that I've done before at Duluth, Georgia. I will post that down in the description below, the link to that. If not, you can check it out on my playlist called Vlogs. And I didn't record a vlog this time because I went to pretty much the same places, although I really should have, because I actually went to, at the mall, quite a few more places than I did in that video. Actually, my phone was dead by the time I went to the mall in the other one. I just didn't have the time. It's okay. It's okay. I'm fine. What else? Tuesday was just a fun day in Duluth, and then Wednesday, my fiance was in the hospital all day. So, my whole entire day was at doctor's office and a hospital. He's fine now. He's on antibiotics. I'm not going to go into too much detail because that's his personal business, but he's doing better now, and I'm happy about that. So that was just, Wednesday was just me worried all day. And then Thursday was Thanksgiving. We went out to eat, and then we slept a little, or at least I did mostly, took a nap. And then we went Black Friday shopping at Walmart. And it was pretty nice. It wasn't too bad at my Walmart, so. But I wasn't waiting on video games or TVs or nothing. We just wait for like movies or small things, clothes, home goods, stuff like that. Nothing big deal. Not a big deal. Excuse me. Anywho. And then today I've been working constantly all day but I also had to finish up those Etsy sales and get them shipped out, so a lot of my time went on that. Sorry, my eye is doing a thing where I can't see. It's just a little blurry dot that bothers me. You ever had that happen too? Where it's like a little blurry dot that you can't quite see out the corner of your eye. When you look at it, it moves away. Anywho, sorry. I'm so all over the place. That's why I couldn't get this finished. But no, it was just, I had a really busy week. But I just wanted to do a little video for y'all and talk to y'all. And the last thing I wanted to mention, besides my week and the tutorial update, was also I want to speak seriously again about COPPA and the FTC. If you're tired of hearing about FTC and COPPA, feel free to click off. If you've already done everything you could for this, feel free to click off here. But I just want to talk for a minute about how serious it is in January 2020 and the rules that they want to change here on YouTube. It's devastating to me and to all the creators I watch that they're trying to regulate anything family friendly as child content. And I'm sure you've all heard a ton about this by now, but I know a lot of my viewers are children, even though it says y'all are all over the age of 25. Sure, I believe you. And that's just YouTube analytics, so it's no big deal. But, sorry, sitting in this chair is like, ugh. At least when you're sitting in it too long. But, on a serious note, I have 5 videos on my channel that are unboxing videos, from me unboxing Cuphead figures, Five Nights at Freddy figures, things like that. I'm probably going to mark those videos as for children. So what that means is those videos you will not be able to comment on anymore. You will not be able to search for them in the YouTube search bar, and you won't be able to like or dislike them. They already have gotten quite a few hundred views each of those videos. It is sad that they're not going to get as many views in the upcoming future, but I want to be safe and say that those are for kids and hopefully not get fined up to $42,000 by the FTC, because I cannot afford $42,000. I'm happy I got 4 sales in 1 month, and in this whole calendar year I've only got about 20 sales. So that goes to show you I can't afford $42,000. I don't think any of you guys can. But if any of you are children out there watching and you posted videos on your channel that are you playing with toys, even if you don't have ads on it, they prompt it in the YouTube dashboard to mark, is this for kids or is it not for kids? If you mark not for kids and the bots go through and scan that it is for kids, you could still get in trouble too, even if you don't have an ad. So you might want to be careful. You might either want to delete that video, privatize it, or mark it as for children. I know that sounds sad, but nobody wants a $42,000 fine. Although, I don't really think they're going to enforce this much, because how are they going to make all these people pay all this money from all around the globe, or send them to the American prisons and jails here in America if you can't pay it? It's a waste of assets and resources and policemen and time, in my opinion. And in reality, it really is a waste. But this is just their way to try to regulate things, because it's all about making money in the end. It's because YouTube and Google were making money from gathering information and targeting ads to children. But the Federal Trade Commission pretty much said it's not about parents not watching their kids. It's about the fact that YouTube and Google are making more money than they wanted them to make. Ultimately, that's what I really think it's about. But that's just my opinion. Everybody has one. It's like a butthole. We don't need to see everybody's opinion. And I don't want to have to start cussing and everything in my videos, but I am a little worried about my tutorials because of the characters. I don't know what to do about that, but there's really nothing I can do. I really don't know what to do. They say a colorful thumbnail could get you flagged, so I don't know. Coming January 2020, I'm still going to be making content like I am, but I'm going to try to fight for my videos to be deemed as not for kids, because I never intended my videos to be for kids. But if y'all like it, that's fine by me. I want everybody to love it. I love my art, and I want to see other people enjoying it and being happy. That's the whole reason I made art. It's something I made that brings me joy, that could bring somebody else joy. it's really scary about the FTC and COPPA stuff. But there is a petition on change.org that you can sign and donate money. But if you can't donate money, you can at least sign it and share it on some kind of social media platform to raise awareness and hopefully change the FTC's mind on this COPPA Act that they're trying to pass, or the update for the COPPA Act that they're trying to pass. Because the COPPA Act's been in place a long time, since like 1996 is what I think I remember in the research. So I'm going to put that link down below. So if you love YouTube, or anybody on YouTube, or just love being on YouTube, you should go sign that petition if you haven't already. Even if you're not technically old enough, just lie and sign it. Normally I shouldn't tell somebody to lie about something like that, but we need as many people as possible. I don't think you have to be over 18 to sign it either. Again, if you can't give money, it asks you to share it on social media. If not, hopefully there's a skip button, but at least try. If you care about this platform or care about any of these creators, try to sign it. And then there's also a place on the FTC website where you can leave an educated, well thought out, polite comment on why this will ruin YouTube, content creators' lives, and the viewers' lives, and the children's lives, because let's not forget, this is technically all about the children. So if you got the time, leave an educated, well thought out comment on the FTC, but if that's too scary and too intimidating, at least sign the petition on change.org. So hopefully that'll make a difference. They're trying to hit 1 million signatures. I think they're at 700-something thousand, about to be 800,000 now. They might already be there now, I'm not sure. But just, if you got the chance, sign it. Anyways, I think that's all I really wanted to talk about. I'm still going to keep doing videos, obviously. I still want to do what I love, and that's YouTube and Etsy, and that's who I am, no matter what. That's who I am. I'm an artist, and I want to do what I can to show you guys my stuff, and you guys can love it along with loving it with me. I will get Garnet done, hopefully by next Friday, and again, I've just been busy because of life and Christmas and Etsy sales, and it's been crazy. But thank you guys so much for still being here with me. I hope you enjoyed our little chit chat. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Love you guys so much. And again, happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye, my bunnies.